In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to make academic writing easier and more organized. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Claude account and on the main Claude interface. Once you're there, you'll see the message box in the center of the screen with the question, "How can I help you today?" This is where you can enter your instructions or prompts. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful and relevant Claude's response will usually be. For this example, I'll start with a simple academic writing prompt. I'll click inside the message box and type, "Write a scholarly essay examining the effects of artificial intelligence on cybersecurity." After entering the prompt, I'll click the send button and wait for Claude to generate the response. You can see Claude has identified a number of research papers. It is searching the web. And here you go. As you can see, Claude has provided a structured answer that has included an introduction, different arguments or discussion points, and a conclusion. This gives us a good starting point that we can further develop and customize. However, instead of using a very general prompt, we can provide Claude with additional instructions to get a more specific result. For example, write a 1,000-word academic essay with references examining the role of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity, including its key applications, benefits, challenges, and future implications. I can also specify the academic level. For example, I could tell Claude that the essay is intended for an undergraduate, master's, or postgraduate audience. This can help Claude adjust the complexity and depth of the content. Claude can then break the topic into different sections and suggest what should be discussed in each part. This can be especially helpful when you're not sure how to organize your ideas. Once I have an outline, I can ask Claude to expand each section individually. This gives me more control over the structure and allows me to develop the content step by step. Once you're happy with the content, you can copy the response and move it into your preferred document editor, such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs. From there, you can make your final edits, add your own ideas, format the document, and check your citations and references. Or you can say Claude to provide me PDF format. And you can download it easily. So Claude can be useful throughout different stages of the academic writing process, from brainstorming ideas and creating outlines to drafting, editing, summarizing, and improving your writing. And that's how you can use Claude AI as a helpful assistant for academic writing. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick AI tutorials, research tips, and helpful guides.